So what about VS Code Copilot? Where does that lie in relation to a lot of these other editors? And I feel like VS Code maybe gets a bit worse rap than it should, because a lot of people had left it probably a year ago when they switched over to Cursor, and they have not gone back to try it just yet. So Scott, you said you've been using it a lot lately. What's your feelings there?
Yeah, I would still probably put it in B tier currently, B/A. Maybe I'm getting into that territory, because if Cursor is an A, to me VS Code's an A, because the two of them there's nothing that Cursor can do right now for me that I feel like VS Code can't do just as well. So for me, VS Code is extremely competent as an editor. And then you also have the added benefit of having the entire VS Code marketplace of extensions and just not the open VISX ones or whatever. So I do like VS Code.
The thing is, like, these other editors wouldn't exist without VS Code. And I think you kind of hit the nail on the head, Wes, is they were one of the first to release these AI features, like with Copilot. And that's why people switched off of it, because it took them a while to get up to speed and add all the other features and make it good. Lately, I do reach for VS Code as well.
Do you feel like all of that is a lot more polished in VS Code? And then I also feel like the speed of it has gotten a bit faster in the last couple months.
And another point for it is I think it has a really generous free tier. I think they're wanting to get people to use it, like, because of Copilot. With a lot of these tools, you kind of have to pay up front, but with VS Code and Copilot, you can at least get a little bit of free usage. I think Cursor has some too, but I feel like I hit the limits earlier with the Cursor free tier than I do with the Copilot free tier.
Let me tell you one thing that VS Code can do that no other editor can do, and that is restart the freaking TypeScript server. Yes. All the others cannot possibly restart the TypeScript server.